My father was a Vietnam veteran. He had horrible PTSD. Sadly, that and a coronary thrombosis led to his death in 1988. My mother to this day believes that the Agent Orange that he was exposed to is what killed him. Dow Chemical knew all along that this stuff was dangerous, and they hid it for years and years. You see it all the time. You see these companies, they put out these products, they cut corners, and they think only about how much they're all gonna take home at the end of the year. It's unacceptable, and we've gotta fight. That's what made me want to be a trial lawyer. I practice mostly in personal injury. I represent people who've had their lives completely uprooted. When your life has completely changed, you may not go back to the person that you've become. That's what's at stake. It's figuring out who that new person is, putting your life back together, and feeling like you have a sense of identity and a sense of self-worth, despite this horrible thing that's happened to you.
I am a 20-year breast cancer survivor. I had to undergo revision of a reconstruction. I had a ruptured saline tissue expander that was replaced with an implant. I found out through MRI that there was some possible suspicion of lymphoma as a result of having that particular implant. When I visited my surgeon, he said, yes, you do in fact have one of those and it needs to come out. I had exactly the same feeling that I had when I was 36 and told that I had cancer. Absolute shock. I felt that I needed an attorney to address the issues of responsibility. Jeff went through everything that happens with that kind of a suit from start to finish. My initial impression was that he has the ability to listen, and that's where it all begins. I felt like I mattered. I appreciate that Jeff treats you as importantly as he says that you are. People don't remember what you say, but they do remember how you made them feel, and I feel like Jeff is truly interested in looking out for the well-being of his clients.
When you've been knocked back in your life, you want to find a way to push back. And I think the goal is to walk away from this profession with people saying, he was a good lawyer, he took care of me. When I needed him, he was there for me. And I think honestly it's to leave that legacy behind, that I actually did some good in this world.